Okay, so we're doing a little bit of a walk around here in York. It's on our way to Scotland. So we did a halfway stop to Scotland. We did a little stop here in York. But I think Liquid Author is hiding from us because I don't see him.
It's with all the shops.
I saw someone flying on a broomstick overhead here. Oh, here's Valhalla.
Hocus Pocus Tiny Hotel.
Daai gaan nou net weer na die mark toe.
Ja.
Ja. It's going to the market. So ons moet miskien so afloop. So yes, sorry for the Afrikaans in between, but yeah, we will do a dual language.
Dual language.
Oh, here's a CEX.
No.
Nice. Yes. I'm looking for R2 drone controller, and I think CEX was selling them. But I think it only comes with the drone. Okay, so I'm gonna just pause here, so stand by, folks. Miskien hierso kyk vir 'n phone case vir jou. Miskien kyk hier vir 'n badge ook, miskien. Ja, miskien 'n lanyard, miskien so. Is dit nie cash?
Vamos dar três. Select. See here, everything clear. You have license, you do the road.
Die crocodile dan die hoede. Ja, is nog mense van uitgepakt.